coming?
I'm coming from Khulna.
Are you drinking any?
Assalamualaikum dears. আজকে আমি তাদেরকে নিয়ে এসেছি তারা প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স দিয়ে কী করে ইংলিশে কথা বলতে হয় সেটা চর্চা করে দেখাবে। একজন প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস দিয়ে কোশ্চেন করবে, আরেকজন প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস দিয়ে উত্তর দিবে। তো কে প্রশ্ন করবে? কে? তুমি? ওকে, স্টার্ট।
Are you going?
Yes, I'm going.
From where are you drinking kind of water?
Yes, I'm drinking any kind of water.
Are you drawing any picture?
Yes, I'm drawing a picture.
Are you lying on the bed?
Yes, I'm lying on the bed.
Are you swimming?
Yes, I'm swimming.
Are you eating any kind of food?
Yes, I'm eating any kind of food.
Are you choosing any kind of cloth?
Yes, I'm choosing many kind of clothes.
Are you liking any kind of t-shirt or any kind of anything?
Yes, I'm liking any kind of t-shirt and anything.
Are you
Reading this, ask him a question about by read.
Are you reading any kind of storybook?
Yes, I'm reading any kind of storybook.
With write.
Are you writing any kind of letter or any paragraph?
Yes, I'm writing many kind of letter and paragraph.
Drinking.
Drinking.
Ask him a question about with the drinking.
Are you drinking any kind of juice?
Yes, I'm drinking many kind of juice.
Are you knowing anything about me?
Yes, I know about you. I'm knowing about you many things.
Are you running on the street?
Yes, I'm running on the street.
Are you sitting on the chair?
Yes, I'm sitting on the chair.
Are you standing on the table?
Yes, I'm standing on the table.
Okay, ask him a question by run.
Are you running on the street?
Yes, I'm running on the street.
Are you
Please give him the answer with negative word, negative sentence. Please give him the answer.
Are you taking anything?
No, I'm not taking anything.
Are you keeping anything?
No, I'm not keeping anything.
Are you choosing any kind of cloth?
No, I'm not choosing any kind of cloth.
Are you selecting any kind of cloth?
No, I'm not selecting any kind of cloth.
Are you helping?
Okay, can you ask him question?
Yes.
Okay, ask him.
Are you going to Dhaka?
Yes, I'm going to Dhaka.
Are you doing a picture?
Yes, I am drawing a picture.
Are you hoping me?
Yes, I am hoping to you.
There's some word which is not available to use in continuous tense. So okay, no problem. Now just practice. Later then I'll tell you that what sorts of words are not able to use in continuous tense. Okay, ask him question.
Are you sleeping on the bed?
Yes, I'm sleeping on the bed every day.
Are you lying?
Yes, I'm lying.
Are you running on the street?
Yes, I'm running on the street at morning.
Ask him question with W's word. What
What
sorts of books are you liking? Choosing.
what kind of book are you reading?
I'm reading sometimes Islamic books and stories books.
What are you giving the poor person?
I'm giving poor persons money, cloth, anything.
Are you helping the poor person?
Yes, I'm helping the poor person always.
Are you know about the world?
Yes, I'm knowing about the world.
Are you swimming in the pool?
Yes, I'm swimming on the pool.
Are you keeping a book on the table?
Yes.
ওকে ডিয়ার্স, আজকে আমরা দেখলাম কী করে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স দিয়ে বিভিন্ন প্র্যাকটিস করতে হয়। এই শব্দগুলোর মধ্যে কিছু কিছু শব্দ আছে যে শব্দগুলো দিয়ে মূলত প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসে ইউজ করা যায় না, জাস্ট এটা হচ্ছে তাদের একটা প্র্যাকটিস। ঠিক আছে, এই যে শব্দগুলো দিয়ে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসে ব্যবহার করা যায় না সেই শব্দগুলোকে অবশ্যই জেনে প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসে ব্যবহার করা লাগবে। ওকে, আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। ভালো থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।